So we'll be continuing complex numbers. So today we'll be learning and continuing algebra of complex numbers. So first of all we'll see division of complex numbers. So suppose we have z1 that is equals to a plus ib and z2 as c plus id, and note that this is not equals to 0 because the division will be defined as z1 upon z2, which can also be written as z1 times inverse of z2 or something like this. So this will be given as, so I'm writing right here, a plus ib. So this will be what, c minus id upon c square plus d square, and solving this we get ac plus bd upon c square plus d square plus iota times bc minus ad upon c square plus d square. So I will explain this by help of an example so that will be much better. Suppose we have z1 equals to what, 3 plus 4 iota and z2 equals to 5 minus 6 iota. So z1 upon z2, so 3 plus 4 iota upon 5 minus 6 iota. So we'll just multiply the denominator and numerator by this. So I will explain. So now on solving this, if we multiply and we'll get something like this. So minus 9 upon 61 plus 38 upon 61 iota. So this is how you perform division. Now we'll see integral powers of complex numbers. So integral power. So if z is any complex number, then the positive integral powers of z are defined as z1 that is equals to z square that is equals to z multiplied by z cube that is equals to z square multiplied by z, and so on. And if z is any non-zero complex number, then the negative integral powers of z are defined as, so this is how you define the negative powers. And lastly we have something known as powers of iota. So I0 that is 1, and I1 is known as I square we have seen is -1. So let us see what is I cube. So this will be what, I square multiplied by I, so -1 multiplied by I, so this will be minus iota. Now I4, so I square whole square, if you do it, -1 whole square, that is equals to 1. Now if you keep on finding like I5, it will be what, I4 multiplied by I, so 1 multiplied by I, that is equals to I6, that will be what, I4 multiplied by I square, so 1 multiplied by -1, so it will be -1, and so on. It will keep on continuing. So in general we can say that the most important things that must be kept in mind are that I to the power 4 is always 1 and I to the power -4 is also 1, and the general formula is I to the power 4k that is equals to 1 I to the power 4k plus 1, that is equals to I to the power 4k plus 2, that is equals to I square, that is equals to minus 1 indeed. And one last thing, I to the power 4k plus 3, that will be equals to I cube, and that will be minus I. So these are the things that you must keep in mind. So these are the powers of iota. So thanks for watching it.